Déjalo secar afuera. Let it dry outside. Let it dry outside. Déjalo. Let it secar. Dry. Afuera. Outside. Let it dry outside. Déjalo secar afuera. Mi jefe me necesita. My boss needs me. My boss needs me. Mi jefe, my boss, me necesita. Needs me. My boss needs me. Mi jefe me necesita. My boss needs me. Bebe más agua. Drink more water. Drink more water. Bebe, drink, más, more, agua, water. Drink more water. Bebe más agua. ¿Cuándo puedo visitarte? When can I visit you? When can I visit you? ¿Cuándo? When? ¿Puedo? Can I visitarte? Visit you? When can I visit you? ¿Cuándo puedo visitarte? When can I visit you? Lavaré los platos. I will wash the dishes. I will wash the dishes. Lavaré. I will wash los platos. The dishes. I will wash the dishes. Lavaré los platos. Fuimos atacados. We were attacked. We were attacked. Fuimos. We were atacados. Attacked. Fuimos atacados. We were attacked. Gírelo lentamente. Rotate it slowly. Rotate it slowly. Gírelo. Rotate it lentamente. Slowly. Gírelo lentamente. Rotate it slowly. Estoy bien. I am okay. I am okay. Estoy. I am. Bien. Okay. Estoy bien. I am okay. Estaremos con ella pronto. We will be with her soon. We will be with her soon. Estaremos. We will be con, with, ella, her, pronto, soon. We will be with her soon. Estaremos con ella pronto. We will be with her soon. Estoy sudando. I am sweating. I am sweating. Estoy. I am sudando. Sweating. Estoy sudando. I am sweating. Hice algunas compras. I made some purchases. I made some purchases. Hice. I made. Algunas. Some. Compras. Purchases. I made some purchases. Hice algunas compras. I made some purchases. Necesito una docena de huevos. I need a dozen eggs. I need a dozen eggs. Necesito. I need. Una docena de. A dozen. Huevos. Eggs. Necesita una docena de huevos. I need a dozen eggs. Te llamaré cuando llegue. I will call when I arrive. I will call when I arrive. Te llamaré. I will call. Cuando. When. Llegue. I arrive. I will call when I arrive. Te llamaré cuando llegue. I will call when I arrive. El calentador dejó de funcionar. The heater stopped working. The heater stopped working. El calentador. The heater dejó. Stopped. De funcionar. Working. The heater stopped working. El calentador dejó de funcionar. Tengo fiebre alta. I have a high fever. I have a high fever. Tengo. I have. Fiebre alta. A high fever. I have a high fever. Tengo fiebre alta. I have a high fever. ¿Puedes quitar esta mancha? Can you remove this stain? Can you remove this stain? ¿Puedes? Can you quitar? Remove esta this mancha stain. Can you remove the stain? ¿Puedes quitar esta mancha? Can you remove the stain? Ven al mediodía. Come at noon. Come at noon. Ven. Come. Al. At. Mediodía. Noon. Ven al mediodía. Come at noon. Come at noon. Ellos bloquearon mi camino. They blocked my way. They blocked my way. Ellos, they, bloquearon, blocked, mi camino, my way. Ellos bloquearon mi camino. They blocked my way. They blocked my way. Venderé estas cosas. I will sell these things. I will sell these things. Venderé. I will sell estas, these, cosas, things. I will sell these things. Venderé estas cosas. Hazlo con ojos cerrados. Do it with eyes closed. Do it with eyes closed. Hazlo. Do it. Con. With. Ojos. Eyes. Cerrados. Closed. Do it with eyes closed. Hazlo con ojos cerrados. Do it with eyes closed. Te hice té. I made you tea. I made you tea. Te hice. I made you té. Tea. I made you tea. Te hice té. Nuestra casa tiene uno. Our house has one. Our house has one. Nuestra, our, casa, house, tiene, has, uno, one. Nuestra casa tiene uno. Our house has one. Come algo primero. Eat something first. Eat something first. Come, eat, algo, something, primero, first. Come algo primero. Eat something first.